Okay, YouTube, there's the bees right there. You can see the hive right inside that void. Rainy, cloudy, then sunny. This is SoCal style. There's the bees. We do bee removals year round, even on a rainy day. And okay, help the channel. This is like, see this rainy day here? This is like a summer day anywhere else. But this is, you know, this is rainy spring day. Most, you know, but don't worry, you know, if you're thinking about moving to SoCal, we pay for every ounce of our beings living here. It's all itemized down. You might be amazed what they want to charge you for here, but we're focused on the bees here. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the channel in the section below. Help your farmers.